Top 10 questions on Indian Constitution. If you scored 10 out of 10, comment 10 out of 10 below and don't forget to follow the channel for more amazing GK quizzes. Question number 1. On which date is Constitution Day, Samvidhan Divas, celebrated in India? A. The 26th of January. B. The 15th of August. C. The 26th of November. D. The 2nd of October. Answer number C. The 26th of November. Question number 2. Which language was originally adopted for the Constitution of India? A. Hindi and English. B. Hindi only. C. English only. D. Sanskrit. Answer number A. Hindi and English. Question number 3. Who was the first president of India? A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. B. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. C. Jawaharlal Nehru. D. Zakir Hussain. Answer number A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Question number 4. How many fundamental duties are there in the Indian Constitution? A. 10. B. 11. C. 12. D. 13. Answer number B. 11. Question number 5. How many fundamental rights are currently guaranteed by the Indian Constitution? A. 5. B. 6. C. 7. D. 8. Answer number B. 6. Question number 6. Who is considered the guardian of the Constitution of India? A. The President. B. The Prime Minister. C. The Supreme Court of India. D. The Parliament. Answer number C. The Supreme Court of India. Question number 7. The preamble of the Indian Constitution begins with which words? A. Republic of India. B. We, the people of India. C. Democratic India. D. Sovereign India. Answer number B is we, the people of India. Question number 8. Who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Dr. B. R. Ambedkar. C. Jawaharlal Nehru. D. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Answer number B is Dr. B. R. Ambedkar. Question number 9. Which article guarantees the right to equality? A. Article 14. B. Article 19. C. Article 21. D. Article 32. Answer number A is Article 14. Question number 10. When did the Constitution of India come into force? A. The 15th of August 1947. B. The 26th of January 1950. C. The 26th of November 1949. D. The 2nd of October 1950. Answer is number B. The 26th of January 1950. Thanks for watching.